Once upon a time, in a small village nestled at the foot of a towering mountain, lived a young lad named Oliver. He had always been captivated by tales of daring adventures and the thrill of exploring unknown lands. It was his dream to embark on a journey of his own to discover the world beyond his humble village. One fateful morning, as the sun painted the sky with vibrant hues, Oliver made up his mind. He packed his belongings, bid farewell to his family and friends, and set off on his grand adventure. With a determined heart and glimmer of excitement in his eyes, he walked down the dusty path that led away from the village. The road ahead was filled with uncertainty, but Oliver embraced it wholeheartedly. He traveled through dense forest, crossed raging rivers and rickety bridges, and climbed steep hills with sheer determination. Along the way, he encountered fascinating creature, a playful squirrel who looks like an eagle, and even a mischievous fox. Each encounter filled him with wonder and taught him valuable lessons about the world around him. As Oliver ventured deeper into the uncharted territories, he stumbled upon a forgotten map hidden inside an old tattered book. It revealed the existence of legendary treasure hidden at the peak of the mythical mountain known as Mount Aurum. Excitement coursed through his veins as he realized that it was the chance he had been waiting for. A chance to prove his mettle and uncover the secrets of mountain. Undeterred by the treacherous path they lay ahead, Oliver pushed forward. The mountain stood tall, its peak obscured by swirling mist and jagged rocks. The journey grew increasingly difficult, testing Oliver's strength, courage, and resilience. But he refused to give up. With every step he took, he grew closer to his goal, fueled by the unwavering determination that burned within him. After days of climbing, Oliver reached the summit of Mount Aurum, his heart pounding with anticipation. The mist parted, revealing a breathtaking sight, a magnificent chamber adorned with sparkling jewels and precious artifacts. It was the legendary treasure, hidden away for centuries, waiting for someone worthy to discover it. As Oliver approached the treasure, he realized that it held more than material wealth. It symbolized the culmination of his journey, the lesson learned, the friendship forged, and the growth he had experienced. With a humble heart, he carefully selected a single item from the treasure, a golden key. It represented the countless doors of opportunities that awaited him beyond the mountain. With the key in hand, Oliver descended the mountain, his spirit invigorated and his mind filled with newfound wisdom. He returned to his village, where he shared his incredible tale with wide-eyed villagers who marveled at his bravery and resilience. Oliver's journey had transformed him into a hero, not only in the eyes of others, but also in his own heart. Armed with the knowledge that there was a world brimming with possibilities waiting beyond the horizon, he vowed to continue exploring, to continue embarking on thrilling adventures, and to inspire others to follow their dreams. And so, the lad who had once been filled with curiosity and hunger for adventure became a beacon of hope for those who longed to embark on their own extraordinary journeys. Oliver's story spread far and wide, inspiring countless others to set foot on the path of discovery and to embrace the exhilarating unknown that lay ahead. From the story of Oliver, we learn that we should persevere through challenges, inspire others, and discover the strength within us.